Welcome to the middle cycle in electrical and automatic installations at Easo Politeknikoa in San Sebastian. This course will qualify you to work as an authorized installer of low-voltage electrical installations in the following occupations: construction electrician and industrial electrician, telecommunications installation and maintenance in residential and office settings, photovoltaic solar installer. The content covered in the cycle is essentially practical. Students begin by experimenting with electrical installations in homes, buildings, and small industrial facilities. They continue with training in automatic door opening systems, automatic home appliances, lights, loudspeaker systems, camera installation, and telephone and television services. Students learn to incorporate internet applications for these purposes. We have been working with challenge-based collaborative methods for several years. Our students develop interdisciplinary challenges from other professional fields taught at our institute, such as intelligent solutions to make everyday life easier for dependent people, sustainable mobility alternatives, smart city, passive house. At the end of the cycle, as you obtain the installer license, the chances of finding a job are high. Students can choose to further their training by taking the high cycle in industrial automation and robotics at our center. The latter option is of interest since it allows you to work on industrial automation systems in large and mid-sized companies. If you are creative, have manual skills, the ability to reason and use new technologies, and like to work in a team, this cycle is for you.